Okay, let's get into this. We're tackling something, really common for homeowners. Keeping that hot water flowing when you need it, but without breaking the bank on bills or ending up with a huge mess. So, our mission today, a deep dive. We're looking at source material all about water heater services right here in Richmond, British Columbia. We want to pull out the biggest reasons why getting expert help makes sense.
Yeah, we've been looking closely at information from a local company, Pacific Blue Mechanical. They handle, pretty much everything installs, upkeep, repairs for Richmond and across BC. We'll try to break down their advice into, simple, easy to grasp points. Focus on keeping your home running smoothly and safe.
Absolutely. Think of this as like your quick guide to understanding why experts keep talking about yearly checkups and why getting the right service matters, especially right where you live.
And that local part is key. The source material, Pacific Blue Mechanical, really highlights that their services are important because Richmond has, kind of an unpredictable climate. But more than that, they ensure every job meets the specific local codes and guidelines.
Okay, but why should you, the listener, really care about local codes? I mean, it sounds a bit dry, right?
Oh, it's actually pretty important. It's not just red tape. Following those codes minimizes your risk. We're talking insurance liability, basic home safety standards. Getting it wrong, that could mean fines, or honestly, much worse, like a dangerous malfunction.
Right, okay, that makes sense. Risk avoidance.
Now let's talk savings. The source material mentions that better efficiency leads to, and this is their phrase, insignificant savings on utility bills.
Hold on a second. Insignificant savings. That sounds weird. If it's more efficient, shouldn't the savings be, significant? Why hire an expert for tiny savings?
Yeah, that wording is tricky, isn't it? Look, I think the interpretation here is crucial. It's not saying the overall savings are pointless. It likely means insignificant on, say, a daily basis, like pennies a day.
Okay.
But think long term. When an expert tune-up makes your heater maybe 5% more efficient day after day for 10 years, those insignificant daily savings add up. They become really significant over the heater's life. It's the prevention, the steady efficiency that pays off.
Okay. That clears it up. It's cumulative. Got it. So it's about long-term value, not instant riches.
Exactly.
Speaking of the equipment itself, the source, Pacific Blue Mechanical, talks about 3 main kinds of water heaters. You've got tankless ones.
Good for energy saving, right? They heat water only when you actually turn on the tap.
Then gas heaters.
Yeah, the source suggests those are good if you use a lot of hot water. Yeah, big families maybe. They heat up fast.
And electric models.
Often simpler to install, apparently. Easier setup.
So, okay, those are the types. But let's get back to the service side. Why is professional service for these systems so critical? What's the big long-term value proposition?
Well, a lot of it boils down to safety and just making the heater last. Take something like the pressure relief valve. It sounds technical, but if that thing fails, the tank pressure can build up, and that's seriously dangerous.
Okay, yeah, definitely don't want that.
So expert servicing means someone is actually checking that specific part. It reduces the risk of a, catastrophic failure.
That's a huge safety point. Can't really ignore that.
For sure. And then there's the lifespan aspect. Yeah. Regular service, they recommend yearly, helps your heater actually reach its full potential life. Usually that's somewhere between, say, 8 to 12 years. That professional checkup basically pushes back the date you need a really expensive replacement.
So it pays for itself over time by delaying replacement costs.
Pretty much. Plus, there's water quality. Good maintenance stops sediment building up inside the tank. That nasty rust-colored water nobody wants. It helps keep that from happening. Yeah. Cleaner water.
All right, so let's tie this all together. Our deep dive into what Pacific Blue Mechanical is saying suggests professional water heater services in Richmond really focus on 3 things. Safety first, avoiding those dangerous failures. Then saving money cumulatively through efficiency, and finally, just getting the most life out of your heater.
Exactly. And the source material mentions something interesting about sounds. Noises like popping or rumbling often means sediment is building up pretty badly inside. Needs looking at fast.
Good point.
So, maybe a final thought for you listening. What little noise might your water heater be making right now? Is it perfectly silent, or is there a faint pop or rumble? That tiny sound, it could be the first sign of a problem that only a professional checkup can stop from turning into a really big, expensive headache later on. Something to think about.